Boldly original, distinctly Lexus, and proudly assembled in the US. Every element of the 2024 Lexus TX was carefully considered to ensure this SUV carries a commanding presence. Its stance, athletic and powerful, purposely designed to evoke the signature driving performance crafted by the Lexus master drivers. Announcing every arrival is the front fascia, which wears the latest expression of the spindle grille and is adorned with dramatic LED lighting. Available 22-inch wheels bring added style to any journey. And in the rear, the signature LED blade tail lamp ensures that the TX leaves a lasting impression. The 2024 Lexus TX should offer plenty of space for adults to settle in back there. We expect a plethora of luxury features. The Toyota version is already plenty pleasant inside to justify the Lexus badge, but the brand hasn't released a comprehensive equipment list yet. 3 different powertrains will be offered, including 2 hybrids, one of which is a plug-in. Entry-level models are powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder, and the plug-in hybrid is said to make a stout 406 horsepower and offer 33 miles of electric-only driving range. The 2024 Lexus TX is offered in 3 different flavors, including a 406 horsepower plug-in hybrid called TX 550H+. We'd recommend the TX 350 Luxury, as it adds desirable upscale features such as semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated second-row seats. Depending on the interior layout you choose, the TX can seat up to 7 across its 3 rows. An optional set of second-row captain's chairs lower the total capacity to 6, but buyers intending to use the TX as a family SUV may find the trade-off worth it to provide sibling separation. Storage bins are plentiful, and Lexus has integrated plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin too. The first ever Lexus TX is an all-new luxury 3-row SUV where every seat has been thoughtfully designed to let passengers plug in or simply unwind. We don't have a full list of the TX's standard and optional features yet, but we expect to see plenty of convenience and luxury items on the list, including a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, and perhaps even massage for those in the front. When we find out more, we'll update this story with details. With nearly 97 cubic feet of total cargo capacity when the second and third row seats are folded down, the TX offers room for more possibilities. With all seats up, this SUV provides 20.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, enough room for 7 standard-sized carry-on suitcases. And for added convenience, an available power-folding split third row seat provides additional cargo space with the touch of a button.